Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma Clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, second phase, Bangalore. Snail mucin is a type of protein which is produced by snails. It's a type of sticky kind of protein. It's similar to mucus which we get when we have a cold or cough. So mucin has some benefits, reducing wrinkles which have already occurred. So therefore it is used in many anti-aging skin products. Mucin is also used as a nutraceutical. It's added in supplements which can also help in improve wrinkles and reduce the signs of aging. So mucin is used in multiple skin products, creams, anti-aging creams. It's added to some sunscreens, added to some moisturizers, and it's promoted as a wonder drug for improving the skin. So mucin also has other medical indications. It has been used in gastric ulcers. It has been used as a wound adhesive. So whether it's really that beneficial or not remains to be seen. The most important ingredient in anti-aging treatment always remains retinol. All other things will have a mild moisturizing effect and will not have that much benefit compared to how much it is promoted by the people who are selling these products. Snail mucin is good, but products which contain snail mucin are quite expensive, and similar kind of improvement can be got with normal moisturizers containing something like hyaluronic acid.